Hello everyone, long time no see. Yeah, uh, I was super busy somehow, but I was busy. I stopped playing games because I started studying, and I started studying graphic design. But it's absolutely new to me, new program, new everything, and it's already. I think it's already 4 weeks. Already 4 weeks that I'm studying, and only now, like today's Friday. I should be doing some assignment, but what I'm doing, I'm playing game. But for that I will tell you later. And I'm making video after, oh my god, a month of not doing anything. Feel like 2 months. Well, feel like it was a long time. So I was studying and also doing a lot of other works. Like a month ago, I started painting, doing other art project, and now it stopped, of course, when I started studying. Also, I have an apartment. I will show you. I will show you in this video. Uh, because this video is update in my life. So I have an apartment that we are completely from the bottom renovating, and because we are doing ourselves, because we are not rich, we don't have money, we do what we can do. Some parts, of course, we have to hire, we have to pay, we have to save money. But yeah, and I also have a garden, but it's just unkept, and I needed a lot of work. I was like cutting grass every week, cutting grass. It's the most hard part because it's like 10 acres. Can you see 10 acres? Yeah, 10 acres. So it's like, damn, it's a big land. And I'm fighting with one nasty grass that is like, for me, it's invasive because I planted some cute stuff and it's gonna kill. I cannot completely destroy it because it comes from a neighbor. So I have a problem. And this weekend I have to call the neighbor. I have to speak to people to say, hey, you have to cut this grass because it's coming to my land and I cannot keep it up. It's too much for me. So okay, so that's my life. And with gaming, I don't know when, but I started playing Minecraft. Before I couldn't play because when we migrated to Microsoft, and I couldn't play because it was like, oh, I have to buy. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna buy because I got as a gift, and why I should buy if I already have it. And I was like, okay, you don't let me play, I'm not gonna play. And I think 2 days ago I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it because my friend is playing, and maybe later this summer, still spring, summer, we can play, meet up and play, because I didn't see all my friends for a month or more. I'm so lonely. And when I'm studying, it's like online studying, so I'm in my room alone, always alone, studying. It's quite lonely. Yeah, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy this Minecraft. It was like 40 euros. Like, oh damn, so much. I'm already broke woman. Oh, thank god I don't have to pay for studying, but still, like, I'm broke. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy whatever. And then, like, I pushed to buy something, downloaded, I uploaded, I start playing. It's like, I can play now. So I was like, oh, okay, nice. So it's third day. I'm just playing for pleasure. I will show you a little bit of what I'm doing. First, I'm gonna meet with a friend and we're gonna play together. Yeah, if she will want. I hope she will want. Really, it in my life. Like, I'm mostly studying every day for 3 hours, like just lecture. and then I have to do homework, like assignments, every day. Even on Friday, I have double assignments, but I'm taking rest because I have a weekend. I will do it. But today I got one more assignment from someone else. I was like, why so many assignments? But I chose to study, so like I enjoy it. It's just sometimes it's hard. Like I'm not young. I'm almost 30. Next month is my birthday, so like I'm lazy. I want to study, but I'm lazy. Yeah, that's my biggest problem with everything in my life. I'm lazy. I have so many projects. I love doing so many things, but I'm lazy. So okay, come with me to see the apartment. Hello. So we are in like in my land, and I wanted to show you something. So I talked. Oh, okay. This, like this. This is neighbors. Oh gosh, yeah, die. So this is neighbors. You can see the line. I was like cutting out this nasty thing. I hated him. So I was like cutting, like did a lot because it was this big. It's like doing, and 2 weeks it grew back. It even start growing in my little plants. Like I cut it out. This nasty stuff. I was like, I cannot deal with this. If a neighbor is not gonna fix, like not gonna fix his side. So I'm gonna call this weekend and I will have a chat. If you're not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna spray, like kill it. Because I have so many nice plants. One is just in spring. Now it's small, and just in spring it blooms yellow. When everything is still like growing, the first one to bloom will look gorgeous. So I have 2 plants. We're not gonna be here, but for now, because I want to put the fence, we're here. But what's gonna be permanent is this little guy. It's a specific berry, but I paid a lot. So we see. I hate you. I paid a lot, and I'm really looking forward. It's gonna give like big yellow fruits. They gonna be very sour, but if you cut them, mix them with sugar, and dry them like a little bit with heat, they turn out as candy. Oh my god, I'm really looking forward to it. So I have 2 of them. Okay, wait. I have 2 of them. So I really want for it to grow and be big. So this is our land. Like one side to another. Yeah. We have a cherry tree that didn't bloom. The cherry that birds ate instantly, so I didn't have a chance to taste it, but I can see it. It's like have some disease. Well, we didn't treat or do anything this year because we just managed to cut it, so it's not gonna be too big. Like I'm letting birds to eat this summer, just like enjoy cherries. Okay, now I'm gonna show you apartment because it's across me. It's like apartment and a land. Very nice. Okay, welcome to my apartment. It's looks horrible, but you know, we are in like process of renovating. First thing I want to show you is new door. We have a new door. I have a new door. I'm so happy. We still have like old door. This one is gonna go out. Yeah, so we don't have anything. no water, no toilet, no communications, just electricity. And electricity is this one line for now. So here is gonna be a bathroom. It's the only space we could give. It looks small because it's what we could do, but for me it looks like it's enough. So here should be shower. Here should be a toilet and a sink, washing machine, and other stuff. So when we go out, yeah, of course it's entrance. So entrance, you can go to the bathroom, and then you can go to the living room. It's so wide. Oh my god. What good thing with this apartment, there was already new windows, so we didn't have to fix it. So well, with all doors, we're still gonna use it because it's good. We are like good, so good. And then we're gonna go in the kitchen. That I don't know when it's gonna be. It looks like oh my god, like nightmare, like abandoned room in nightmare. So this is our kitchen. It used to be how to explain. It used to be a wall that we took out, and it used to be like, I don't even know how to show you. It used to be like this big kitchen, but we put wall to separate and make a bathroom because we didn't have bathroom. And the last one is bedroom. Small, cute, like it's not, it's a bedroom. You come, you sleep. Oh yeah, we are still finishing. Yeah, so it's bedroom. Oh, also we have a chimney. It used to, you could make a like a sauna, like she didn't have like central heating or whatever. So there used to be 2 chimneys. There's still 2 chimneys, and she would heat the apartment with fire. And someday when we finish, I will show you like time lapse of what we did. So here it used to be like very old. You can make fire. I don't even know English, sorry. So you could make fire. You cook. You can cook. You can heat. So, and there used to be one here and one in living room. And of course we took it out because we're gonna put electrical heating, heated floors, and we don't need. But this chimney, this is like double chimney. Our neighbor has one because it's second floor. Yeah, sorry, this is second floor. So one is neighbors, and here, around here is ours. Don't even look at that, it's gonna be covered. I tried doing something, and yeah, I'm done. No comments, please. So we're gonna have a fireplace someday because it costs a lot, like 2,000, just to have a very nice fireplace. For now we're not having it. Yeah, that's it, and that's my life update, and I see you in the next video. Bye.